friends, Adinan here. I'm going to share with you the PowerPoint presentation of digestion and our teeth. What is the process by which the body breaks down food into simple substances called digestion? Where does the digestion start? Mouth. Where does the digestion end? Small intestine. What helps to make the food soft and easy to swallow? Saliva. What helps in the breakdown of carbohydrates in the mouth? Saliva. Name any three organs of the digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, that is esophagus, and stomach. What helps to roll chewed food before getting swallowed? Tongue. The food pipe is also known as dash. Esophagus. Where does the protein get digested? Stomach. What do you call the partly digested food? Chyme. The juice produced by the liver is known as dash. Bile. Bile helps to digest dash. Fats. What is the function of the juices produced from pancreas? It helps to digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Where does the absorption of the digested food take place? Small intestine. Where does the water in food is absorbed? Large intestine. The dash part of the food is sent out through the anus. Undigested food, that is feces. How many sets of teeth do humans get? There are 2 sets of teeth during our lifetime. A. Temporary, that is milk teeth. B. Permanent teeth. When do babies get their first teeth? Around 6 to 8 months old. How many milk teeth does a human have? 20 milk teeth. How many permanent teeth does an adult have? 32 permanent teeth. At what age milk teeth start falling out? Around 6 to 7 years old. The upper part of the tooth is known as dash. Crown. What fixes the tooth to the gums? Root. Name the 3 parts of the tooth: enamel, dentin, and pulp. What is the outermost and hardest layer of the tooth? Enamel. Which part of the tooth has blood vessels and nerves? Pulp. Name the 4 types of tooth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. What is the function of flat-shaped incisors? The incisors, which are 8 in number, helps to cut or bite food. Which tooth is used to tear food? Sharp and pointed canines, which are 4 in number. What is the function of premolars and molars? Helps to crush and grind food. An adult has dash premolars and dash molars. 8 premolars and 12 molars. Tooth decay is known as dash cavity. So that's all, my friends. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, this is Adinan zooming out.